A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we were doing exercise 7.4 in which we were dealing with comparison of fractions. Okay, now you have learned जब like fractions होते हैं you have to directly compare, and whenever unlike fractions are there are two cases. First case जिसमें numerator same है, you have to compare the denominator, and second case is when numerator and denominator both are different. So today we are going to deal with the second case, okay, where the denominator as well as the numerators are different. So here you have to solve and then you have to put the sign. So the first one is 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6. These are the two fractions. So first you will convert them into like fractions. So like fraction यानी कि इनके denominators आपने equate करने हैं. For that you have to calculate the LCM of the denominators, least common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, that LCM part you all have understood, you all have learned how to calculate LCM, that you can do in rough part. So 4 and 6 का LCM आता है आपका 12. So you will have to convert 2 by 4. The denominator should be 12. So you will multiply it by 3. Both the numerator as well as denominator. So it will become 6 upon 12. And 3 upon 6 will become again 6 upon 12. Because 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6. So you can see 6 upon 12 and 6 upon 12. Both are same. So which sign will come? Equal to sign will come. So this way you have to solve. Similarly, the second one also 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. So you have to find the LCM of 4 and 8, which is 16. So 3 by 4 will get converted into 12 upon 16 and 2 by 8 will get converted into 4 upon 16. Now you always have to remember 4 को आप 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then you will get 16. So numerator में भी आपको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Similarly 8 into 2 will give you 16. So in numerator also you have to multiply it by 2. So you will get 4 upon 16. Now clearly you can see these two are like fractions now. 12 is greater than 4. So obviously the greater than sign will come. Okay. Now I'm explaining you one short method. This method is the proper method. One short method also I'm explaining you. So it is 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 8. You have to compare these two. So how to compare? You can do cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into 8 you will write on left hand side. But इसमें आपने एक ध्यान देना है, you have to write at the proper places. If you are changing the place, your answer will be wrong. Okay, so 1 into 8 आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखेंगे. 2 into 4 you will write in the right hand side. Okay, then 1 into 8 is 8 and 2 into 4 is 8. 2 4s are 8. So since these two are equal, you will put the sign as equal to. तो इसमें आपको LCM निकालने का मेथड यूज ना किए हुए you can just directly multiply. So cross multiply. So numerator into the next denominator will come this side. Okay, now you can see one more I have solved by the same method. 3 upon 4 and 7 upon 8. So 3 into 8 you will write, which is 24. 7 into 4 you will write here, which is again 28. Now 24 is smaller than 28. So the sign will be this one. Okay, so this way. So this is one method. So using this method also you should know how to put the sign. Now we'll see the next question. Now you can see in question number 6 there are many parts are given to you and it is given that these fractions are only of 3 types, यानी कि 3 groups में है. So you have to group them. So basically what you have to do, you have to convert them in simplest form. You know how to find, you have how to convert. आपको HCF निकालना है न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर का, एंड देन यू हैव टू कैंसिल इट बाय दैट नंबर and then you will get the simplest form, and you have to solve all together, and then you have to write which fractions will come under one group. So I have taken only of one group. So 2 upon 12, LCM of 2 and 12 is 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So simplest form is 1 upon 6. Similarly 10 upon 60, the HCF is 10. So answer is 1 upon 6. Again 16 upon 96, the LCM is 16. So simplest form is 1 upon 6. 12 upon 72, the same way 12 and 72 का HCF is 12 and the simplest form is 1 upon 6. And K part, which is 3 upon 18. LCM of 3 and 18 is 3. When you will cancel, you will get 1 upon 6. Now in all these parts you can see different fractions are there. But when you are converting them into simplest form, everyone's answer is coming same, which is 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. That means these fractions come under one group. So the first group is 1 upon 6 fraction is the simplest one, and the fractions which come under this group are 2 upon 12, 10 upon 20, 16 upon 96, 12 upon 72 and 3 upon 8. So similarly there are two more groups. So what you have to do basically is you have to convert each and every fraction in simplest form. Uske baad you have to write them group wise. Okay. Now we'll see the next question. So you can see here the question is 5 by 9 equal to 4 upon 5? This is question number 7. First part I am explaining you. So first thing you have to convert them in like fraction. This is just the comparison. Okay, so same way you have to convert them in like fraction. You have to find the LCM of 9 and 5, which is 45. 5 upon 9 will become 25 by 45 and 4 upon 5 will become 36 upon 45. Now 25 and 36 are not equal. So you will write 5 upon 9 is not equal to 4 upon 5. Okay, and similarly one more I have done for you. 4 upon 5 is equal to 16 upon 20 or not. Again you have to convert these in like fractions. So LCM of 5 and 20 is 20 this time. So this fraction will remain as it is. You have to convert just the first fraction. 4 upon 5 will become 16 upon 20. Okay, and 16 upon 20 and 16 upon 20 are equal. So you can write yes, 4 upon 5 is equal to 16 upon 20. Okay, so this way you have to do the remaining parts of this question and complete the exercise till question number 7. So that's all for today. Thank you.